One bug in production costs 100 times what it costs to catch in testing. That's not a guess. IBM proved it decades ago and it keeps getting confirmed. Now put your team 8 time zones away. That 100 times problem, it gets bigger and quieter. Software defects cost US businesses $607 billion in 2022. And 73% of offshore projects struggle because of one thing: communication. Guess where communication breaks first? Quality. When dev and QA are distributed, small gaps turn into shipped bugs. Here's what actually goes wrong. It starts with the definition of done. In one office, done is understood. It's cultural, it's a shared shrug. Offshore, done has to be written down, or everyone means something different. One person means it compiles, another means it's tested and shippable. Then there's the feedback loop. In-house, you catch a bad build and fix it in an hour. Offshore, that same catch might take a full day to round trip. Now, the obvious objection. Isn't offshore QA just cheaper testing? No, and that framing costs you. Yes, the math is real. A US QA engineer runs 100,000 plus a year. Offshore, that's 20,000 to 40,000. But here's the part people miss. Outsourced QA improves defect detection by 25%. You're not buying cheaper testing, you're buying a dedicated team. But we use AI tools. Doesn't that cover us? Careful here. AI-generated code carries 1.7 times more defects than human-written code. And 46% of developers already say they don't trust AI code accuracy. AI amplifies output. It does not replace judgment. Humans catch logic gaps. How many QA engineers per developer? Start at 1 QA for every 5 developers. Adjust after 2 sprints. How long until an offshore QA hire is productive? 2 weeks to operational. 4 to 6 weeks to fully productive. In-house hiring takes 3 to 6 months. Offshore QA isn't a discount, it's a system. Get the definition of done in writing. Embed QA in the sprint, not after it. Start with a lead. Do that, and distance stops being a risk. If you're building an offshore engineering team and QA is the gap, we should talk. Full breakdown is linked below.